When are you supposed to be advised of your Miranda rights? Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about when you're supposed to be Mirandized. So this does come up a lot, and I've had clients, come in and they tell me, uh, the cops were asking me questions for a while before they even told me that I had my Miranda rights. Is that okay? Well, the answer is it kind of depends. It depends on whether or not were you being detained, were you being arrested, were you on the side of the road, or were you down at the police station, with your hands cuffed to the table. It really depends on the situation and depends on the nature of the questioning. So here's a couple examples. Let's say you're just pulled over on the side of the highway and the cop's just having a chat with you. He doesn't need to Mirandize you before he starts the conversation. He only needs to Mirandize you if he's actually putting you in cuffs, putting you in his car, and arresting you and taking you to jail. But so let's say that happens. Cuffs on, back of the car, taken downtown, booked through, mugshots, the whole nine, and then they start talking to you, and it feels like an interrogation. They might even have you in a room that's used for interrogation. At that point, they really should be Mirandizing you. You're fully in custody. There's no expectation that you could leave at that point, especially if you're restrained by handcuffs or something like that. So at that point, if they're going to sit down and start talking to you, they need to be reading you your rights. If they don't, then whatever you say between then and the point where they Mirandize you can probably be thrown out, possibly at least. It really depends on the specific facts of the situation. But be aware of the fact that after they Mirandize you, they can still ask you to waive your rights. They can ask you to waive your rights moving forward, and they might even ask you to waive your rights for everything that's been said so far. So be very, very careful and make sure that you pay attention to what you're being asked and what the officers are saying so you don't find yourself in a trap where your statements are going to be let in anyway. If you have questions about this, absolutely give us a call. This is a very important part of your defense. It's a very important right that you have, and I want to make sure that that right is fully protected. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.